Hi, everybody. I'm Denis Nuja, one of the founding members of the Enakta Labs. This is a little bit of an update on the last year. So about Enakta Labs, we're a small startup that started in 23 with focus on bringing DAOS to the market and focusing on the usability of DAOS. We're part of the original team that created the DAOS Foundation. We are active contributors, and we're also shipping a product based on DAOS. Product is called the Enakta Lab Platform, and it manages the full life cycle of DAOS on bare metal deployments. This includes the full management framework, high availability backend for managing multiple clusters, and including few interesting pieces on top of it. One of them is a Microsoft SMB certified interface on top of DAOS that is used by one of our media and entertainment customers. There's also a limited API S3 interface, which is quite high performance. Then we have the PyTorch support out of the box, and we have some reference architectures that we're working on with Kioxia, Supermicro, and a few other hardware vendors. Now, what have we done in the last year? We mostly focused on the out-of-box experience and usability of the DAOS, right? How to make it from all these lots of documentation and everything to a clicky system that people can try out and play with. We have accomplished that, and currently it takes us under 30 minutes to deploy a 10-node physical cluster. Now, we also worked on how to deploy multiple clusters inside the same system, and we can do that now with multiple different versions of DAOS. Now, why is this cool? Because people want to have a production cluster, let's say running 2.4 point something, and they would like to test 2.6 before actually upgrading or switching. They can deploy multiple clusters in the system. One of the bigger OSS side of things was that we were sponsored by Google to develop the PyTorch integration, which was fully developed and shipped and merged. And today, I hope you're going to enjoy to see also some of the performance numbers presented. We have also developed the initial S3 interface. Now, this is partially going to be open sourced, partially commercial due to external libraries that are outside of our control. The idea is to support a limited number of S3 API calls, enough for most use cases. The SMB part we have been doing for a while, and we are collaborating on enabling NFS and NFS over RDMA. Now, unfortunately, due to the gateway that we're using, this is a commercial product, but we hope it's gonna enable some users to adopt DAOS sooner than later because of their requirements. On the commercial side, we have shipped the first 20-node cluster to a customer site. It is on the site, and it's enabled and deployed. We're running multiple POCs, some with research, some with media entertainment, and we even have a finance customer that's currently trying to see how to use DAOS for stock tick data. We have improved some of our support procedures and framework, and we're moving to a proper 24/7 support organization. All of this is supported by some discussions about external funding to expand the team. Now, yes, we all like to see UI, GUI stuff. We have a full UI on top of DAOS. Now, what are we going to be doing the next year? As we ship more systems into customer hands, we want to learn from their use of DAOS. DAOS historically has been used mostly in HPC/supercomputer environments, as we all know. And as we get DAOS in hands of people that are using it outside of that scope, we hope to learn more of what could be done better, what could be done different, and improve the code base. At the end, we all want DAOS to become relatively ubiquitous and used in a lot of different use cases. And this is something that we need to work on together. We will continue to work on interface integrations, improving and everything. So if you have any questions about PyTorch integration or anything else that we have done, we also did the NVMe over Fabric SPDK plugin for this. So if you have any questions around that or you're trying to use it, please do reach out, chat with us on Slack, and we'll try help as much as we can. We want to continue working inside the TSC, especially the usability group, to generally improve DAOS day 2 operations. Now, we are currently in discussion with one of our prospective commercial customers about them sponsoring development of the tiering between DAOS and S3 backends. This would be an open source project, same as the PyTorch integration. At least that's what we're currently discussing. And we hope to have some news in the following month about this. And with all of this, we hope to expand the team of core DAOS developers outside of HP. And I'm very excited to see what we can do this year. Now, for anybody listening here that wants to just try DAOS and they don't want to go through all the discovery and everything of how to run it, get in touch with us. You're welcome to try it with our platform and deploy a cluster quickly. Get your hands on the cluster and have fun with it. We also provide a platform at no cost to any research and academic users for any testing, learning, playing around, exploration, and on-production workload. So yeah, get in touch. And that's pretty a short update from us. I will take any questions if you have.